In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to appear offline on WhatsApp but actually be online. So I'm going to show you how to do this on an Android 15 device, but if you have an older version of Android, this should work for you. So you could also watch my video completely till the end. So the first thing is get hold of your Android phone, and once you do that, open WhatsApp and click on your profile picture out here. Get to this page, click on privacy, and then the first option, last seen and online. Click on that option. You get to this page. Here you need to select nobody under who can see my last seen, and under the second setting out here, who can see when I'm online, select same as last seen. So once you do this, what is going to happen is that no one can see when you were last seen online, obviously, and whenever you are online, because you selected the second option, no one can see that you're online. Now, apart from this, what I would also recommend is, if you want to ensure that people think that you are not available, turn this off, read receipts. Once you do that, the blue ticks that your sender sees once you receive the message or once you view it is going to be gray. It's not going to be blue. Even if you read the message, they're going to see gray ticks. Obviously, this is also going to keep ticks for you gray. You're not even going to see blue ticks. But this is also going to help you showcase yourself as being not available. I hope this helps, and I hope you got some value. If you did, give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.